Hi, this is John, and in this clip we'll be talking about featherboards. A featherboard is just a piece of wood, or a lot of times you can buy them and they're plastic, and you set it down next to your tool, and when you run your board through, it allows you to safely keep that pressure against the fence on your tool while running it through. Now you can buy featherboards commercially, or you can make your own. It's much more cost effective to make your own, and in most cases you can just use a piece of scrap wood and make it yourself. To make one, I've just taken a scrap piece of lumber and made some vertical lines, and then I have another line here to tell me how far to make my cut. Next, I'm going to place my scrap piece of stock up against the fence on the bandsaw, and I'm just going to make cuts along each one of those lines. And next I'm going to cut it at about a 15-degree angle on the miter saw. And now my featherboard is ready to be used.